All right, finished product. I have put everything back together. One of the two connections, the smallest one was very hard to put in. This little outer piece right here was kind of a little difficult to put in too, but everything's back to order and it looks great. I love it. And I can finally see everything. Let me put my lights on. I can see my lights now. God, this is so nice. After 1 year of not being able to see everything, everything was fading. Last week when I was driving, the odometer or the trip odometer or the trip meter was stuck. It didn't work. So this is great. I love it. All right, thanks for watching.